Electrical problems are scary. Nobody wants to get shocked or fry a circuit because they used the wrong tool. But buying a multimeter is confusing. There are hundreds of them out there. So I bought the top 5 digital multimeters, from cheap budget options to fancy smart tools. I tested them on my car battery and household outlets to see which ones are actually safe and easy to use. Product number 1. AstroAI Digital Multimeter Tester, 2000 counts. When I picked up the AstroAI 2000, it felt compact but decent. It has this orange silicone cover that feels like it would bounce if I dropped it. Testing it out, the backlit screen was a lifesaver when I was checking a fuse box in a dark corner of my basement. It's pretty simple. It handles your basic voltage and resistance checks without overcomplicating things. I really liked the data hold button because sometimes you can't see the screen while you're poking around wires, so you just freeze the number. It also has a double fuse system, so I didn't feel like I was going to blow it up if I made a small mistake. If you just need a cheap, reliable tool for checking batteries or simple household fixes, this is the one to grab. However, if you want a brand that professional electricians swear by, product number 2. Klein Tools MM325 Multimeter. I grabbed the Klein Tools MM325 next, and you can feel the build quality immediately. It's rated for a 6-foot drop, and honestly, it feels like a tank. My favorite feature when I started testing was the LED alert protection. Little LEDs actually light up to tell you where to plug the leads in. If you're a beginner, this prevents you from accidentally shorting something out. I used the specific battery test mode on some old smoke detector batteries, and it gave me a clear pass-fail status, not just a random number. The kickstand on the back is sturdy too. If you are worried about safety or you're teaching someone how to use a meter, this is the safest bet. But this is a manual ranging meter. If you want the meter to do the math for you, product number 3. AstroAI Digital Multimeter and Analyzer, 6,000 counts. I switched over to the upgraded AstroAI 6,000 count model. Holding this, it feels more like a pro tool than the smaller version. It's auto-ranging, which is a huge relief. I didn't have to dial in the specific voltage range. I just set it to volts and it figured it out for me. I tested the temperature probe on my car's AC vents, and it was surprisingly accurate. It also uses true RMS, which essentially means it gives you a precise reading even on complex circuits where cheaper meters get confused. The double ceramic fuses gave me peace of mind when testing higher voltage. If you do a lot of automotive work or home DIY and want a tool that does the thinking for you, get this one. Now, if you're moving into a new house and need to test everything, product number 4, Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit. I opened up the Klein Tools Electrical Test Kit, and this isn't just a meter, it's a whole safety system. It comes with a multimeter, but my favorite part was actually the non-contact voltage tester pen. Before I even unscrewed a light switch, I just touched this pen to the wire. If it beeped and turned red, I knew it was live. It saved me a shock. I also went around plugging the outlet tester into every socket. It instantly told me if the wiring was reversed, which is common in older houses. The included meter is solid too, handling all the basics. If you are a new homeowner and need to check every switch and outlet safely, buy this kit. It covers all your bases. But if you are a tech nerd like me and want a color screen, product number 5, FNI RSI DMT99 Digital Multimeter. Finally, I played with the FNI RSI DMT99. This thing looks more like a smartphone than a multimeter. The 2.4-inch color screen is gorgeous and easy to read in the dark. My absolute favorite part? It's rechargeable via USB-C. I am so tired of hunting for 9-volt batteries, so just plugging this in like my phone is amazing. I tested the smart mode and it automatically knew if I was testing resistance or voltage without me touching a button. It even has a recording mode that draws a little graph on the screen so you can see if the voltage is fluctuating over time. If you hate old school dials and want a smart, rechargeable tool that feels modern, this is the coolest one I tested. So whether you need a simple battery checker or a high-tech smart meter with a color screen, one of these will keep you safe and get the job done. I've dropped links to all 5 models in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and stay safe with those wires.